Second video, we'll be looking at how to use CapCut. Alright, so once you install your CapCut, you will see it here. This is how the CapCut looks like. You can see there, this CapCut. I will click on it. Once you click on your CapCut, okay, then you select new project. Alright, once you click on select new project, I will also use this. Okay, I'll click on add. Alright, this is the CapCut. Okay, below here, the first thing you are seeing is the cover. If you want to put a video cover on this, you select this. Okay, then you can see the first icon you have below is your edit. Okay, this is your edit. If you tap on it, you want to edit this video. Okay, the second one is audio. If you want to add audio, all right. The third one is your text. All right, if you want to add text, you can see that. Okay, you have overlay, you have effect, you have ratio, you have filter, you have adjust, you have sticker, and you have canvas. All right, so all of these are the tools. Now, any of them that you want to work on, the moment you click on it, it will expand to show you some other, to show you more icon. You can see like this now. Like for instance, I click on text, it shows me other text, other icon inside the text. So this is how CapCut works. So I'll be showing us how we can use this to edit our videos. Okay, so this is just for us to introduce us to the various apps we shall be using.